Hello friends, welcome back to Max Tips for All. Number System, Integers, Exercise 1A, Part 10. Today, let's solve state true or false, whether the statement is true or false. Our first statement is the product of two different integers can be 0. They clearly observe it. Can be, so it might or might not be 0, right? So when you are multiplying the two different integers, that is, you can consider any number can be 0. When you multiply both the integers, do we get 0? We will get 0 or any other numbers too, non-zero integers, right? So let's consider example. If we consider the two examples of 5 into 0, 5 is one integer and 0 is one integer. So you'll get 0. So you will get, there is a chances of getting 0 when you multiply two integers, right? 0 is a one integer and 8 is one integer. When you are multiplying this both, you are getting 0. If you are multiplying, once again, if you are multiplying 2 into 2, then you will get 4, right? So there is a chance of getting non-zero 2. There is a chance, but what they are asking is can be 0. Do we get 0? So answer is yes, we get 0. So the answer is true. I hope you understood this first one. Let's move on to the second statement. Product of 120 negative integers. So we are taking 120 negative integers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sorry, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, so on up to minus 120 integers. So we are taking 120 integers and 121 positive integers. So 121 up to 121. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. So on. So you are taking 121 positive integers is negative. So what will be when you multiply both the integers, 120 integers and 121 positive integers, do we get negative? Is it true or false? In previous part itself, I have explained about this. You have to check for the negative integer. What is the negative integers? 120 integers, 120 numbers are given. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Or also you can take 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 13. They are multiplying similarly up to 120 integers. Any 120 integers. So is 120 even or odd? It's an even number because it is divisible by 2. So it's an even number which is divisible. So whenever you get a negative integer as even, the answer would be positive. The answer would be positive. See, we have taken 1 minus 3 minus into minus 4 into minus 2 minus 1 minus 8. You can take any integers up to 120 integers. You have to count it. It should be 120 integers. And similarly, the positive integers 4, 5, 7, 1, 2, 11, 13, 14. It might be any number. And it should be the count is 121 integers. So 121 is an even number and the sign will be positive. But what they have said is it's negative. So it's a wrong statement. So you have to write it as false. I hope you understood it. Let's move on to the third one. Here what they are asking is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus C. Is left hand side is equal to right hand side. Is this statement is equal to this? See. LHS side is A into B plus C. B and plus are in the bracket. So, in an algebraic expression, while multiplying the algebra, we already know A into B and again A into C should be done. So, A into B plus A into C. So, you have clearly understood how I got this statement. Is this and this statement, this right hand side statement same? No, it's not same. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So normally our answer would be false, because this LHS is not equal to RHS. Finally, what we got is not same as the RHS. Let's move on to the next problem. B minus C into A is equal to B minus C into A. Is this both equal or not? LHS is equal to RHS or not? Let's check it. Let's consider the LHS part, that is B minus C into A. LHS is nothing but left hand side. It's on the left hand, left hand side. So we will call it that left hand side. This one is RHS, that is right hand side. Okay. So B minus A. Even here the same thing. Let me take my pen. Yeah. Here we are going to multiply B into A and C into A. So our expression will be B into A minus, because here we are having minus sign, we are placing a minus, C into A. So now just check it whether this LHS is equal to RHS. Clearly no, LHS is not equal to RHS. So our answer would be false. I hope you understand. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Check the description box for the number system integers 1A exercises. Thank you.